How to perform a multi-calibration on NineFocus. Welcome to this multi-calibration video. Let's start by pulling down the method list and select the option New. Next, navigate to the specific template, select Calibration of multiple pH sensors. Now we'll name our method Multicalibration. When we navigate to Configuration, we can select the number of parameters. In our case, we'll select 3. We'll choose parameter A. Here, you'll notice that the pH parameter cannot be modified. Multi-sensor calibration is only available for pH. Click Create. Next, move on to the sequence section where you have the option to edit the sequence by adding a message, a report, a result, or a stir method function. For now, leave the sequence as it is and navigate to Buffer Data. Let us select Automatic Buffer Recognition. Then select Segmented Calibration and choose Buffer 4.01, 7.00, and 9.21. Save. Then create task. Now that everything is set, let's start with the calibration. The 3 InLab DES digital sensors are connected to NineFocus. Take off the wetting caps. Rinse the sensors and gently dab dry. Immerse the sensors in pH buffer 4. Press Start Buffer and confirm the sensor cleaning reminder. You'll observe that all sensors measure the pH simultaneously. Once the calibration with buffer 4.01 is done, click Start Buffer. After that, clean the sensors and immerse them in buffer 7.00. Confirm the sensor cleaning reminder message. Click on Start Buffer. Now clean and immerse the sensor in pH buffer 9.21. Confirm the last sensor cleaning message. Wait for the measurement to finish. As you can see, the slope and offset is calculated for each sensor. By clicking Adjust, you'll adjust the slope and offset of all sensors. If you want to learn more about pH measurement, make sure to check out the other videos.